In our fast-paced world, we chase success as if it's a finish line. But true financial success doesn't start with the sprint. It starts with a pause. Imagine making financial decisions from a place of calm and clarity, not fear or impulse. This is the promise of a mindful life, finding an inner anchor amid financial stress. Our emotions and money are deeply connected. When we're unsettled, we make reactive choices, impulse spending, avoiding our finances, or chasing quick fixes. Mindfulness bridges your inner state and your outer reality, helping you build prosperity from a foundation of peace. Think of your mind as a garden. If you let stress and distraction grow wild, they choke out opportunity. Mindfulness is tending that garden, pulling weeds, nurturing intentions, and creating fertile ground for success. With inner calm, you notice opportunities, make wiser decisions, and your financial life reflects your peace. Let's let go of the idea that struggle is the only path to financial freedom. Instead, we'll explore how stillness leads to strength and awareness leads to abundance. This isn't about rejecting ambition, it's about enhancing it with a powerful ancient tool. By learning to be present, you unlock your greatest asset in the pursuit of a rich life. Mindfulness transforms your relationship with money from the inside out. Let's discover how this simple practice can change your financial future. The journey begins with a single, mindful breath. What is mindfulness? Simply put, it's the practice of paying attention, being fully present in the moment. It's not about emptying your mind, but noticing your thoughts without getting swept away. Often our bodies are here, but our minds are elsewhere, worrying, replaying mistakes, or planning ahead. Mindfulness gently brings your mind back to where you are. It's awareness without judgment, observing your thoughts and feelings as they come and go. If you feel anxious, just notice it, without criticism. This non-judgmental awareness frees you from being controlled by your emotions, especially around money. Imagine sitting by a river. Your thoughts and feelings flow by. Mindfulness is sitting on the bank, watching, not being swept away. This gives you the power to choose your response rather than react automatically. Mindfulness is training for your attention, your most valuable resource in a world full of distractions. Where you place your attention shapes your life. By practicing mindfulness, you strengthen your focus and create space between a trigger and your response. In that space, you find freedom and wisdom to make choices aligned with your values. Mindfulness isn't complicated, but its impact is profound. It's the foundation for a calmer, more intentional financial life. Let's see how it creates clarity. Money is a major source of stress, and stress clouds our judgment. When anxiety takes over, our logical thinking shuts down, and we make poor financial choices. Mindfulness is your superpower. It calms the storm so you can think clearly. When you notice financial anxiety, pause and observe it instead of reacting. This pause lets your logical brain return so you can respond wisely. What are my options? What's the next best step? Mindfulness also sharpens your focus on what truly matters, making you less vulnerable to distractions and instant gratification. You become a gatekeeper for your attention, staying centered on your goals and values. With clarity, you see your finances as a tool to build the life you want. You budget with intention, invest with vision, and save with purpose. Calm awareness transforms your relationship with money, from anxiety to confidence. Let's get practical with mindful breathing. The simplest mindfulness tool is always with you, your breath. Mindful breathing anchors you in the present and calms your nervous system, especially during financial stress. You can use it anywhere before checking your bank account, negotiating a salary, or resisting an impulse buy. Here's how. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes or soften your gaze, and focus on your breath. Notice the air entering and leaving your body, the rise and fall of your chest. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. No judgment. Imagine receiving an unexpected bill. Instead of panicking, pause and take 3 mindful breaths. Inhale calm, exhale stress. This brief pause creates space between the trigger and your reaction, helping you respond thoughtfully. Practice mindful breathing daily, before work, in line at the store, or whenever you feel tension. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to access calm in stressful moments. Your breath is your anchor and your tool for emotional regulation. By mastering it, you become the calm architect of your financial future. Let's use this calm to tackle impulsive spending. Next, the mindful pause. Impulsive spending is a major challenge in today's world of instant gratification. The mindful pause is your antidote. A simple break between wanting to buy and actually buying. When you feel the urge to make a non-essential purchase, stop and take a mindful breath. Ask yourself, why do I want this? Is it a true need or just a fleeting feeling? Will it bring lasting value? This pause interrupts autopilot spending and brings awareness to your motivations. Sometimes you'll still buy, but it will be a conscious choice. Often, the urge fades when you examine it. Try a 24-hour rule for bigger purchases. Wait before deciding. The mindful pause helps you spend in alignment with your values, not your impulses. Now let's shift from scarcity to abundance with gratitude. Gratitude journaling shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. Scarcity mindset fuels financial anxiety. Gratitude is the antidote. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. Feel the emotion as you write, not just the words. Gratitude rewires your brain to see abundance, making you more creative and resilient. It curbs the urge for mindless consumption. When you appreciate what you have, you need less to feel fulfilled. This doesn't mean you stop striving, it means your drive comes from abundance, not fear. Start tonight. Jot down 3 things you're grateful for. This small act can create a massive shift in your mindset and your financial journey. Let's bring these tools together into a routine. Here's your step-by-step guide. Lasting change comes from consistent habits, not one-time actions. Create a weekly mindful money moment. Schedule 30 minutes to review your finances calmly. Start with 5 mindful breaths to ground yourself. Remember, your bank balance doesn't define your worth. It's just information. Review your spending with curiosity, not judgment. Notice patterns. Do you overspend when stressed? Use this insight to understand, not criticize, yourself. After reviewing, set one small mindful financial goal for the week, like pausing before every online purchase or making lunch at home. Breaking big goals into small actions makes progress inevitable. This routine, breathe, review with kindness, set an intention, turns financial management into self-care. Over time, you'll build confidence and control. Now, let's amplify your progress with visualization. See your wealth before it arrives. Here's how. Mindful visualization is a powerful way to program your mind for financial success. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a few calming breaths. Picture your financial goals in vivid detail. See yourself feeling secure, paying bills with ease, reaching milestones. Engage all your senses and feel the emotions of success as if it's happening now. The more real your vision, the more your brain believes it's possible. Visualization activates your brain's filter for opportunities aligned with your goals. Combined with mindfulness, it draws your vision closer with every practice. See it, feel it, and you'll start to create it. This is the mindset of abundance. Let's close with the ultimate reward of this journey. True wealth isn't just a number, it's a state of being. Mindfulness reveals that real prosperity is inner peace combined with outer resources. What's the point of wealth if you're constantly anxious? Mindfulness is your anchor, helping you weather financial storms with calm and clarity. This resilience is a form of wealth money can't buy. Mindfulness is a gift to yourself, an investment in your mind and well-being. Small practices like mindful breathing, pausing before spending, and gratitude journaling open big doors. You're not just managing money, you're mastering your mind. Progress isn't about perfection, it's about returning to the present again and again. As you do, you build a life rich in purpose, presence, and peace. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single mindful breath. Take it now.